This is Dr. Cho. I'm very excited because I'm about to start something very new and innovative here at Integrated Aesthetics. I'm going to be getting my hairs plucked, and at the base of those hairs there are stem cells that I'm going to be banking for future use. It's going to allow me the ability to use these stem cells almost indefinitely throughout my life. There may be future applications out there, but the initial application that we're going to start with is called Secretomes. They're going to be able to culture my stem cells, and the extracts from the stem cells I can use for things like facial rejuvenation, thinning hair, and just to help refresh my overall appearance, but using today's stem cells rather than doing something in the future when my stem cells and cells are getting older. So stay tuned.